Hey guys, so I want to get real with you about the life of a reseller. It's messy, it's dirty, and it's organized. I schedule once a week to completely clean my room because in 1 week, this is what it looks. Oh, that's embarrassing. Okay, that's allergy season, guys. That is not anything to do with corona. Okay, all right, that's allergy season. Okay. The Dymo had an accident. It's rough. It's really rough. Okay. So why am I showing you guys the nightmare that is my room? Well, because I think it's so important as resellers that when we make a sale, this is really what happens. We tear everything apart, we go ahead and put it back together, and you have to schedule time to clean. And A will tell you it never looks like this when he comes over. Never, ever, 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 ever. So I'm going to do a before and an after shot of my room, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Oh my god, look at the ship. Guys, okay, the shipping supplies center, that doesn't really change. That's still going to be there because I have no freaking idea how to organize this stuff. If you guys have like a better way to organize, please, please, please tell me. I would appreciate it profusely. Alright, so stay tuned for part 2 of the life of a reseller's room. 2 hours later, I feel so much better. I'm not as claustrophobic, I'm not as overwhelmed. Ignore that corner while I say that. But there's room on the floor, I can get around, I can breathe. I think this is going to require special attention. I just am kind of a hoarder of shipping supplies because I just can't bring myself to just get rid of all those boxes, because you know the day when you actually make it and you start selling things and all of a sudden you need it and you're like, why am I paying all this money for boxes? Where did they all go? So that's going to be a separate project. I need to get over that. I need to move on. I need to make sure that I can breathe in my room and just be a happy camper. Now, I'm not saying do what I do, guys. What I'm saying is schedule time to clean. I don't think this is a perfect system by any means. I just think that this is the space that I have to work with. And at a certain point, I do want to purchase that beautiful wall of bins that everyone has and organize everything with SKU codes and just have a beautiful inventory system. Baby Dymo is happy again. Kind of wish I got a Rolo, but that's where we're at. Really good investment though. I would definitely highly recommend that if you guys were to get any form of investment. I probably would have gotten a Rolo had I done better research, but I'm really happy with the fact that I'm saving tons and tons of money on printer ink and shipping costs. So this is my room, and don't forget, guys, to check me out on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, Depop, and please, 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 please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get informed every time that I post a new video. Alright, thank you so much, guys, and I hope you learned something and enjoyed this video. Alright, bye now!